Previously on Pumpkins on Porches.
Wow. What? I am impressed. I think we've got a winner on our hands.
Pumpkins on porches, yes they're pumpkins on porches. I'm gonna review the pumpkins cause they're on a porch.
Very cute. Yeah, overall very aesthetically pleasing. Good size of pumpkin. Yeah, I like that one. I think just because it's contrasting well with the green, I think that makes for an overall pleasurable experience when viewing pumpkins. Color contrast is very important. Very good, very nice. It's modern, it's edgy. You know, kind of mixing it up a little bit with the sizing. They're like, let's not stick to one size, let's go small and big. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of disappointing. They're on there, they're just on the table. No originality. Okay, this one, honestly not great. Okay, we've got sort of a showstopper over here. I don't know about you. This is cutting edge, I think. Are you ready? Ooh. Okay, so I've got the symmetry and the colors working together. This pumpkin I think is like red. Is it weird if I walk up and like look at it closer? Ooh. I mean, like, it's a good pumpy. Solid pump. This one's a little bit worse for wear. You can see that they're like, it's rotting a little bit. Yay! Originality, probably a 4. Overall aesthetic, how it makes me feel, probably an 8. I'm just like inspired and amazed by that red pumpkin, that reddy, auburn, burnt orange, whatever you want to call it, pumpkin. And like, they went above and beyond. They didn't just go, we're just gonna put it on the steps on the porch. We're gonna put it on the pillars. I said that weird, pillars. We're gonna rise above these other pumpkin hoes into something a little bit more cutting edge, and I admire that, for sure. Yeah, those two on the pillars absolutely nailed it. Do you reckon I should like go in and give them a letter saying that I think they've won my 2 streets of pumpkin reviews? I'm sure they'd be very impressed with that. Like, we saw a lot of pumpkins today. A lot of them were good. As an Australian in Canada, I think saw a lot of good things. A lot of good. I'm actually gonna cycle a little bit. Just gonna see if there's any other pumpkins up here. If not, we're good to go. And I will also review them on their pumpkin ability. Pumpkin ability? What the fuck does that mean? Okay. Good pumpkins. Very cute. Good size consistency. I'm loving this stem. Not bad overall. Probably a 5 out of 10. Good size consistency. Presentation. Probably could have been better. She is thick and ready. That slap. Definitely should have rated a lot of them on slappability. Oh, look at that bloody stem. Like, that's the size of my fucking wrist. This, like, piece de resistance. Hi, I'd just like to formally apologize to all of France for that terrible pronunciation. Thank you. I'm sure I said that really badly. Ugh, I can't even think straight. My whole brain is just full of snot and pumpkins. Look at that. Super cute. Look at this one. Good sizing, good presentation. And there's another big pumpy here. Cute! Eee. And then they've got like scarecrows here. Ooh! Hold the phone. We have some actual jack-o'-lanterns. Jack-o'-lanterns. Did I say jack-o'-lanterns? Wow! Is that a paw print? Or is that like a 4-eyed monster with like a mouth? But that one is super cute. That's the first time I'm seeing a jack-o'-lantern in the flesh. Actually, if you're using spaghetti squash, I don't know if that's gonna fly. These are all just also my own rules that I've made up somehow, because I'm not like a pumpkin expert. I don't really know anything about pumpkins. Oh, 4 little pumpies. Cute! I like that one. Good sizing, good overall consistency, good presentation. Probably gonna give that one 7 out of 10. Originality, not too high. I think my favorite, the one with all the little tiny scattered pumpkins around, like full on A for effort. They like really went out. I mean, definitely like over the top. Not many people could pull that off. Ooh, it's green. Yeah, not many people could pull that off. That last one. But I'm impressed with the overall aesthetic. I think it's something to aspire to, you know? Alright, I need to get this bike somehow up on the freaking thing. Overall, very nice. I really need a tissue right now. But yeah, like I was saying, that one was super good, but very, like, it's gonna take some work to get to that level, you know? It's not just gonna be your average, pumpy mish. I think second was the one that had the 2 pumpkins on the pillars. Loved that. It's a tough one. I did really like the modernistic one. It kind of had like the 3 pumpkins that were all like different colors, different size, well, same sizes but different colors. But I did really like that big boy pumpy. It was like right in the center with those kind of like long and big. So I think that'll have to be third. So yeah, I think overall successful pumpkin day, pumpkin judging. Still gonna look up the etymology of pumpkins. Etymology? History is what I meant. The history of pumpkins. And why they're on porches. But I think it's such a cool thing. Why doesn't Australia have pumpkins on porches? Or at least we should have like beer. Something quintessentially Australian on porches. I was like, get into the spirit, guys. What do we do? Like, when they say Australians have no culture, like, try again, sweaty. Okay, that's me. Ow. Oh, yeah.